Hey guys, I'm sick today. Please make sure you're good for your substitute. I will be at school tomorrow. I'm just gonna make a little video real quick this morning to show you guys what you're doing today. You're just gonna practice simplifying fractions because some of you have been having a hard time with it. So just as a reminder, if you have 8/24ths, you want to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. If it's not obvious to you, you should look for the greatest common factor, and if you remember how to do that, we just do the factors of 8. So factors of 8 are 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Those are the only factors of 8 because 3 times anything doesn't work, and we already have 4 times something. And then you do the factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 5 doesn't work, and 6 is already there. So I'm going to look and see which factor is the greatest. So 8 is the greatest factor in each of these, so it's the greatest common factor. So I'm going to divide the top by 8 and the bottom by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So 8/24 is equivalent to 1/3, and that's the most simple form. Some of you are getting pretty good at simplifying fractions, and if you are, you don't have to do all this work over here on the side. But if you get stuck, this is like a trick that helps you figure it out. I would also like you guys to practice simplifying improper fractions, turning them into mixed numbers. So if you have a number like 30/9, and notice that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom. The trick to that is you do a little bit of long division on the side. So straight from the top down, it's 30 divided by 9. You ask yourself, how many times does 9 fit into 30? It fits in 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract, and that leaves you with 3. So your remainder is 3. So if you remember, this number here ends up being your whole number. So that's 3 wholes. And then this number here, the remainder, ends up being how many parts you have left. So that ends up being your fraction. So you have 3 left, and your denominator is 9. And when I take a look at that, 3 and 3/9, I should notice that 3 and 9 also have a have common factors. So I should also be able to reduce that. And 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So I'm just going to come down here and finish this up. So I'm going to take my 3 wholes that I have, and I'm going to do 3 divided by 3, which gives me 1, and 9 divided by 3, which gives me, which gives me 3. So this is the most simple form, the simplest form, 3 and 1/3. So I left 2 worksheets for you guys to work on. You'll have 10 problems of each kind. So if you have any problems, raise your hand and get your teacher to help you out. But otherwise, please be good today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.